Hello and good morning, Year 5. Your learning intention today is to add decimals equaling more than 1. Now, when we are adding decimals, we can use visuals and we can use the column method. So on this side here, we have our visuals using counters, and this side we have our column method. And if you look closely, you can see that the numbers do match up. So we have 0 ones here, we have 4 tenths, and we have 5 hundredths. What I want you to do is pause the video and have a go at either using the counters or the column method to help you answer this question. So pause the video now please and have a go. Okay, so let's have a look and see how we have done. So we should have started off by looking at our hundredths column. Okay, and we're adding 5 and 8 together, and that gives us an answer of 13. So we would put 3 in the hundredths and carry the 1 over into the tenths column. Now we look at adding 4 and 6, which gives us 10, and then include the 1, gives us 11. So make sure you put your 1 in the tenths and carry your 1 over to the ones. We had 0 ones to start off with, but because we've carried the 1 over, we now move this down to the bottom. So our answer is 1.13. So here's a similar question again. You have the visuals or you have the column method. I want you to pause the video and have a go at answering this question, please. Right, let's have a look and see how you've done. So we should have started with the hundredths column. We should have added 5 and 7, which would have given us an answer of 12. 2 would go into the hundredths, and we would carry the 1 over. 8 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 10. Again, we're carrying the numbers over. We had 0 ones to start with like the previous question, but we do have 1 now, and that moves over into the ones column. So this gives us an answer of 1.02. Now you will have questions like this today that you need to work on when you're doing your fluency task, and then some questions like this where you have word problems and reasoning questions. So let's have a look at an example here. I've picked 3 children from 5D. We have Maya, Fuad and Tasha. They've been building some cube towers. Maya's cube tower is 0.872 meters, Fuad's is 0.6 meters, and Tasha's is 0.79 meters. The question here is, how tall are their towers in total? We could set this out as a column addition. So I'll put Maya's measurement in there, got Tasha's, and I have Fuad's as well. Okay, now you can add the placeholders in there as well, if that makes it easy for you. Okay, so that we've got the same amount of digits on each line. The key thing here is the decimal point never moves. It is always in the same place on this line here, and that is really important when we're adding up the numbers. So I want you to pause the video here and look at adding these 3 decimal numbers together to work out how tall the tower was altogether. Okay, so I'm hoping you've had a go at that now. So we would start off with the thousands column this time, and we would add 2 with 0 and 0, which gives us an answer of 2. Then we move on to the hundredths. So we're doing 7 plus 9 plus 0, and that gives us an answer of 16. So the 6 would go in the hundredths, and we carry the 1 over into the tenths. Then we would do 8, add 7, add 6, plus the 1 that we've just carried over, and we would get an answer of 22. So 2 would go into the tenths column, and then we carry the 2 over into the ones. To start off with, we didn't have any ones, but now we've had to carry the 2 over from the tenths, and we bring this down to our answer at the bottom. So altogether their tower combined, or their total, is 2.262 meters. And it was just as simple as that, using column addition just to add up the numbers together. Now, there are fluency questions, there are reasoning questions. I'm really confident from looking at your work this week that you can all do this. Okay, but if you do get stuck, we are here, we are happy to help. So make sure you send us a private message and we can go over any questions that you might be struggling with. Have a great day. Bye.